I've been in situations where I might have gotten a call and someone was so almost like confrontational towards me, and we were just trying to set up for doing a photo shoot. There is absolutely nothing wrong with specifying who your ideal client is. Perfect example, lawyers. There's lawyers who will specifically say, call us if you've been in an accident. That means if you've been hurt in an accident, they only want that case. That is what they're gonna specialize in. They're not trying to, they're not trying to touch anything else. That's their specific client. Go ahead, be on Front Street, and being on Front Street, you save a lot of time. If you actually want a photographer, videographer, you kind of want to have an ally in whatever the project is. I've been in situations where I might have gotten a call and someone was so almost like confrontational towards me, and we were just trying to set up for doing a photo shoot, and it's like, this is not gonna work at all. I'm sorry. I know that photographers can sometimes feel like necessary evils and a burden on your purse strings and things. I do not belittle that at all, but I did not know these people. They just called out the blue and were very adversarial on the phone, and it did not go anywhere. How could it? Because I was just caught so off guard. I was like, did I do something to these folks before? You had to be gung-ho to do that stuff, and it takes some time, effort, and some work to pull those shots off. So if you're not about that, if that's not the life you're trying to get into during a photo, if you just want that headshot and be out, you're just never gonna get it. You've got to shoot the shots. They've got to get shot. And hopefully willing with a good attitude to get those shots is how it's gonna happen. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with trying to signal out your ideal client.
Hello.